So now he's giving you a little bit of our history. The slaves were brought from different countries in Africa through the Americas to Cartagena. Back then, Cartagena was converted as the first slave port of all the Americas.
En Cartagena, nuestros negros y negras eran vendidos a cualquier rincón de América. Pero en Cartagena nos colocaban a trabajar minería, agricultura, entre otros, puntos de diferentes países de África para que no nos pudiéramos comunicar.
So, from Cartagena, the Spanish crown or slave masters at the time sold us to different corners of the Americas. Cartagena was where it started. Then they placed us to work in agriculture, construction, mining. They used this strategy because we would work hard, but we couldn't communicate with each other because we all had different languages. We were from different countries.
Sí.
Porque todos nuestros negros y negras tenían idiomas diferentes. Y la necesidad de comunicarse llevó a que creáramos unos códigos lingüísticos y esos códigos al final se convirtieron en una lengua propia, la que lo recibía, la lengua palenquera.
And look, when John is speaking to English-speaking clients, very enthusiastic, I'm going to try to present like him because so John said all of us had a need to be able to communicate because we work so hard together. So we started to piece together different codes of communication, and later on, those codes of communication have become our own language, the one that you are receiving right now. Lingua Palenquera started out as a Creole, but now it's a language, Palenquero.
Y la lengua palenquera es una mezcla de diferentes idiomas. El léxico principal, español, francés, portugués y lengua
Your
africana.
water is included.
Kikongo, Kimbundu, Lingala y una mínima de inglés.
So the Palenque language is a mix of all these languages that he just mentioned. Spanish, Portuguese, French, and tribal languages of Africa. Some of them he didn't tell you. Wolof, Fola, Tree, Kimbundu, Lingala, Yoruba, Igbo, all those languages. Because we're taking from the West African region, the Bantu region, West Africa.
See? See how we working together now?